So firstly, right, what is the important keyword we need to look at here, right, is more than. Every time you see the word more than or less than, remember you draw what type of model? This one you learn in P2, P3, right? You all should learn this model. What is the model that you draw? Every time you see the word more than, less than. Okay, I have a file and also I have a pen. Yes, very good, Franco. Okay, it's comparison model. Okay, comparison model. And then another thing I need to take note, right, is it's not just one file and one pen, okay? I have 5 files. So we are going to draw this. Okay, so more than, right? Draw comparison model. Draw comparison model. If I have 5 files, right, I need to draw this model called, I'm not sure whether have you all heard this before. This is called what? Start with S. Does anyone know? What model do you draw? We call this the stack model. Okay, why stack model, right? Is because I have 5 files. So what I'm going to draw, I'm going to draw file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4, file 5. Okay. So I'm just going to draw like a stack like that, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is my model for the files. And then I have one pen, right? Okay, so I'm just going to call it pen 1. Okay, one pen. And then the pen, right, is lesser than the file, correct? If the pen is smaller than the file, it must be shorter. Okay, so it will look like that. Okay, this is how my comparison stack model look like. Okay, and what is the difference? Take note, the difference is $3. Okay, so it will be over here, $3. Okay, usually I don't write units, okay? So don't write units in your model. Okay, so you just write 3. Okay, and then we also know that the total cost of 5 files, right, is $Y. Okay, so where is Y? Y is an algebra. Okay, so where is Y in the model? Where is Y in the model?
Behind the tree.
Yeah. Okay, it's the whole thing. It's the whole thing from it's the whole thing here. Okay, this whole thing here is Y. Okay, this whole thing here is Y. Okay, so right, and then where is my question mark? The question mark is find the cost of a pen. So this is my question mark. So right, we know that those that are same size, right, we usually call them what, 1 unit, right? Oops, sorry. We will usually call them 1 unit. Okay, wait, let me just okay, we will usually call them 1 unit, right? Okay, so what do I do? If I know that the total Y is there, and then what can I do to find out what is a pen? So first, right, I will write 5 files. Okay, I know that 5 files is $Y. Correct. 5 files is $Y. So if I want to find one file, okay, to find one file, what do I do? This is like units. To find one file, right, I need to what? Divide by 5, right? I need to divide by 5, and here I also need to, oops, sorry. And over here, right, I also need to divide by 5. Okay, so what do I get? I will get Y over 5. Correct. And then after that, right, I know that the pen is actually lesser than the file. So to calculate the pen, oh no, why my pen suddenly? Okay, wait, let me just calculate it. Okay, so to calculate the pen, one pen, I will just take Y over 5 minus 3. Can? So my answer will be number 3.